Okay, we saute some garlic and some bouillon, seafood bouillon. And we have some blue crab and some king crab, guys. I got some 2 pounds of king crab. They're like $40 a pound, of course. So 2 pounds is like very expensive. Okay, so now we're gonna enjoy that, okay? Okay, we're gonna put this coconut milk. I love coconut milk and a little bit of water with that. Just half can of this. Okay, so it's not too thick. Okay, so we bring that to boil. Then we'll put our, I put only garlic flavored, and I'm gonna put some black pepper for the spice. We also gonna put some just a second here, some red pepper right here. It's a crush. I want it a little bit spicy. And then we are going to put a little bit of bay leaf. We're gonna flavor that already. Okay. We're gonna put just a second, let me open this. Some tomato paste, just a bit. Okay. Need to buy more, almost running out. Okay. Okay, continue. We're gonna put our seasoning ranch powder, granulated. We'll put a tablespoon because I love the flavor to it. I mean a teaspoon. Anyhow, sorry. Not tablespoon. Okay, and then we're gonna put a kimchi base because I like the spicy chili sauce. It's a kimchi base, guys. So it's gonna give that spice. A teaspoon or so. There we go. Gonna be yummy. Even if I put already some garlic, right? I'm gonna put more garlic powder. I did put a real garlic, minced garlic. This time is powdered. Okay. So I can taste it before I'm gonna put the crab. Let's bring that to a boil, starting to heat up. We have bay leaves in there, so let's try that quick. Just a quick try if it's need to be put some salt. That's how I tried only, see? Need something. I need some salt. Oh God, I love the taste already. I'm gonna put our seasoning blend, guys, okay? A little bit on that salt. I have some Himalayan salt right here, chili Himalayan, so another spice, a little bit. I like it a little bit spicy on my seafood. Here we go. Okay. You can definitely make whatever your taste bud will bring you. Yan guys, we put some onion, green onion. I like the flavor to it. And I put a little bit of sugar, just a half a teaspoon or 3 pinches of sugar. So manamis-tamis siya. Because this one is a little bit, so it's a little bit sweet. Just a little bit, you know, those thick taste. Perfect. Okay. Okay, now it did boiled already before, so I just sort of want to put this crab here. They're not alive. I don't cook them when they're alive, guys. I usually put them in the refrigerator overnight until they die because I don't like them to be screaming at me and looking at me alive. So yeah. Oh my God, heavy. Ayan guys. We have 4. We have total of 4 crab. We call this blue crab. I don't know why, because the fly is a little bit blue. So we're gonna bring that to a boil. We're gonna put a little bit of water because I want it to really cook. Let's put that just a little bit. Okay, from the can. And then we'll put our crab later. I mean king crab, okay? So we're gonna put the lid on that for a few minutes until it boiled, and you can tell when it's cooked because the color. You can also tell. Okay, so let's see you guys then. Okay. So yummy, already smell good as it is. Okay, let's open. Ayan. Okay. It's not cooked yet, but I will need to stir it just a little bit. Sarap. Sarap yan. seafood tayo, guys. Ayan. Lagay natin yung ating king crab later after this thing really cut. Ayan, i-flip ko muna. Ay, mabigat. That means maraming laman yan. Ayan na. Boiling na. Cook na for a minute. Then we put our king crab. I'm gonna soak my king crab. I already cut them so that it's easy to... Oh, sorry. So it's easy to... Oh, my goodness. So it's easy to eat and open later. Big claw. Look at that giant claw. I need that. Yummy, yummy. Oh. Can't wait. Look at that meat in there, guys. Look how big that meat. Oh, look at that. This is the king crab, guys. I bought again at Costco. Because the one I put in the freezer, our freezer got broken. Let me turn off the timer here. And then I end up throwing away the box of king crab, guys. But my warranty is covering $300 only, and the crab is like $360, and the rest didn't even cover most of my meat and steak, so that's fine. So I bought me another crab, but I got to spend some more because it's expensive now, the king crab. Okay, oopsie. Let's put the lid again and cook it again for a few minutes only, and it's gonna be done. Look at that. And then we are gonna put some bok choy after a few minutes. Okay, let's open it. It's done. Done na yan. Look at that. I want to make sure that king crab is got sauce. And then what we do, I'm just gonna make sure I stir them. Okay, now we're gonna put our... I have bok choy. I love it with the bok choy. Just wanna put that first. It's only a few minutes, like 2 minutes, and that with our salad mustard. So you want it still crunchy too in there. Okay. There's a bok choy. It's gonna add some water, natural water to it, so it's not gonna be dry. Okay. Here we go. Let's put the lid again. Guys, we have the plate, so we're gonna... It's all done. Look how yummy. So now we are going to change, to put it into our platter. And here we have this nice platter. Okay, let's put that together here. Because we're just gonna put that there and refrigerate it also after, because I cannot eat them all. Vegetable there because I'm going to sauce that. Okay. Ayan, tingnan nyo yan. Mabigat. That means maraming laman. Ito, mabigat itong maliit. Ayan. Ayan, oh. My God, ano naman yan? Camera, we. Ayan naman yung king crab. Ayan. Ayan yung king crab. Dami nating king crab. Hindi kumakain mga anak ko nito. Yung panganay ko lang kumakain ito. Okay. Push natin yan para masipere. And then what we do is king crab here. Ayan. Oh, hindi ko pa na-turn off. Turn off. Dandan, can you pour it? But look at that, guys. Isn't it awesome? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Can you pour it this side only, Dandan? Oh, wait here. Pour it in this side. My son is gonna... Wait. Just a second. Okay. Okay, pour it in that side. Just straight up. There we go. So we separate our veggies and pour it all there because that's where the yummy one. Okay, ayan na. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so we are done. Look at that, guys. Look at our crab and veggies in the side. Lagay natin yung veggies in the side. Ayan, may sauce dyan. At saka kain na tayo. Let's go eat, okay? And we go in the table and eat. Okay, there's a cup of rice, guys. And also, I made that. I vlogged that also how I make that pirate. And there's our crab, okay? Let's eat. And we have mango here. And we have watermelon and strawberry for dinner. My husband only likes salad, so me is rice, of course. Let's go eat. I want this one here. Sabaw. Sabaw muna kasi gusto ko ng sabaw. Then veggies. Yum. Tapos ilalagyan natin ng, oh my god, it's raining hard outside. Ayan, crab na yan. Oh, ayan, complete na. Ayan, kain na tayo. Bisaya style na kain to. Ayan. I just showing you guys that's how I eat. I didn't put shrimp, even I have some shrimp, but this is good enough. Ayan, makain yan pati buto. Ayan. May gunting ako in the side para just in case I need to cut the king crab. Sarap. Mahang-anghang. Ayan, oh. Gulay muna. Sarap. Ito guys, see? Ang sarap nito guys, I promise. Pati buto, makain mo yan. Pirit yan, pirit. Pati buto, makain mo. Para siyang sardines ang tawag sa Tagalog niyan. Bilib. Lang kainin yung bilib, ha? Okay. Give me a spoon, Dandam. The big spoon. Ay, sarap. Kain tayo, guys. Gusto ko rin ng mangga. Okay, guys. Magkamay na ako ngayon kasi anuhin ko yan. Kakamayin ko yan. Okay? Okay, guys. Let's open kamay na. Oh my God, look at that crab. King crab yan, guys, ha? Let's open also the other one. Let's open the crab. Ayan. Sorry, mga aso ko maingay. Paano ba yan i-open? Lalaki ito. Ayan. Ganyan ba yan i-open? Nakalimutan ko na paano. Oh my God. Ayan. Mataba din siya. I don't know. Ayan yung crab. Hindi ko kinakain yan, guys. Tinatanggal ko yung ano at saka kakainin ganyan. Okay. See you later. Okay, guys. Let's show you this. Oh my God. Look ang taba. Si ang taba, di ba? Ang taba ng king crab. Ganyan, sarap. Taba. Magkamay ako. Magkamay na. With gulay. Bye.